Just when you think you got it going, you gotta cut off an additional inch. It's okay. Everything's gonna be fine.
Yeah, it'll all work.
We'll get there. You wanna put this here? Or do you wanna put the box here?
We're gonna put the box. We can just set the box on top of this. It won't hurt.
Okay. Oh, the whole thing?
Yeah. Because they're the same.
Found the culprit. Right there. That is where we're off.
Okay. At the top.
Magical.
How about that?
Because it's flush at the bottom. And then at the top, it's not.
So that's this one.
So when we were building these, we didn't put into perspective the amount here where the drawer slides will be. So instead of deconstructing this and the platform all together, we are going to slowly cut into each side on both boxes, and
1/16 of an inch on each side.
a 1/16 of an inch, yes. 1/16 of an inch in on either side to not hit these nails. And then the drawer slides will go into each side here rather flushly to save time and space.
Let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. So we want to take a 1/16 off. Okay. There goes nothing.
Nail. No, it's a cut, remeasure, cut, remeasure. All right, fingers crossed, ladies and gents. Oh, they fell. Okay.
What the?
Hold on.
A little bit in the center. Back fits. See? Back fits.
That's so weird how it's not cutting the same throughout when we're sliding it.
I don't know. I do not know.
Cut number 6 today.
Can you tighten this a little so?
Okay, is it working? Huh. Dropped right in.
Woo!
Okay, now let's.
We're in there like swimwear, mates. Yay.
Lovely. Looks like the drawer goes in on that side and out on this side a little bit as compared to that.
Yeah.
That's easy fix. That's the back of it.
Well, this one's flush. This one is off by like a 1/16 of an inch.
Yeah, all you gotta do. Show you. Sand a little bit. Remember I said we might have to cut those off?
Yes.
Give that a whirl.
Just a hair at the bottom. Okay, let's
Do that one.
do the other drawer. Back just a little.
I mean, it's not like the interior really matters. No one's
Right.
seeing it. As long as the drawer slides fit in and we're not hitting any more nails,
We're
I
good.
think we'll be fine.
Okay. Run a little sandpaper on that, just a little bit. And then we'll cut that other side real quick. First try. I guess we
Nailed it.
nailed it. Seeing how we.
It only took about 45 tries on the other side.
This one, that's what I said. The saw is set for the perfect distance. Let's just cut.
Yeah.
Now what we need to do is put the screws back in.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Ooh.
If it's not one drawer, it's the other. So we now have to lift up the second drawer because it catches and doesn't shut. Brilliant.
What?
I said it's brilliant, Dad. It's absolutely brilliant.
Okay. Hold up.
We'll get there eventually, hopefully. Got like 3 days to figure it out. More or less.
I think it's hitting the same thing like that one did.
On the sides.
I think it's hitting that ridge.
This tiny ridge of evil. It's my new name for it, the Ridge of Evil.
Ridge of evil.
About 4 hours later, and she's glued. All glued. Tomorrow we are going to install the corners so that way these will not have nail holes in them like the tops here. And then we'll make the insert for this drawer. But as of right now, I am exhausted and full of sawdust, and I'm gonna go have a margarita. That's what I need. It's a margarita. Cheers!
Oh, cheers.
Cheers!
Yeah, she tried to kill me. The children
Did
always
not try to
me.
kill him. Just want the internet to know that. So it is 7:10 in the morning, and this is it. This is the last bit that I have to do today, and then hopefully, fingers crossed, everything will be done. So the home stretch. The home stretch, y'all. And look at that golden glow. Ah, it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day to build some stuff.
Oh, you need some more glue down there. It's not completely covered.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, like right here.
There we go.
There you go. Set it on that. Then
We bungee.
I don't know. Put some little pressure on it. Okay.
First one. Woo!
Side and side. Now we need a
Bungee. It's like putting them to bed. Taking you to your final resting place.
Let me see just one of those for a second. There we go. Hold on. Right there. Yeah, we'll just use that wood filler.
Mm-hmm.